question is, do lawyers ever drop clients? The answer to that is yes, that happens all the time, but let's get into why. So at Lawrence and Associates, we initially take claims in to investigate them. And for most practice areas, we have 90 days as part of our internal rules to do a complete investigation and decide whether we should keep the case or not. Sometimes facts come up in those cases that show us that it's not a viable case, or if it is viable, it needs to be filed so far away that it's going to be better for the client to get a local attorney to do it. So first, what does it mean for facts to say that the case is not viable? Well, first, sometimes clients come in and they talk about, say, a car wreck or something, and they have an injury to maybe their back. We get the medical records and we find out, well, this back has been injured so many times before and the treatment's been so recent that there's no way for us to go to a doctor and prove what's related to this wreck and what's not. It's one thing if the person's last treatment for their back was 5 years before, even 5 months before, but if it was 5 days before, we may have a problem. And even an exacerbation could turn into something that's not worth enough in damages to be worth filing in court. So we might give that client the tough news that we don't think this is something that you're going to win, or that if you do win, it'll be a Pyrrhic victory. It'll cost too much for what the win is worth.